Hello, welcome back to Namaste. So in this little clips, I'm going to show you how I achieved these two meals with one protein, which is fish for the day. So I went to the market, bought this fish, cut, wash it with lemon and salt, and I seasoned them with onion, pepper, ginger, garlic, some seasoning stock, and salt. After that, I'm going to throw them into a dry pan and allow them to steam with the pepper sauce. This is because I want them to absorb the juice of those seasonings in the fish. Don't add water, or I didn't add water. I will just cover it and allow it to steam with the pepper sauce. After 5 minutes, everything have steamed and all of them have gotten in the fish. It's almost half done. Yeah, the next is to throw it into the air fryer and fry them. You can as well fry them with vegetable oil. That was hobby, yeah, because he liked fish so much. So as I said earlier, it was the protein for the day. So the first thing to eat it with was plantain porridge. Yeah, so this is the plantain porridge. They are all ready. I'm going to serve the first one with it. I counted it and everybody has his own share of the fish, so I will share it and make sure everybody enjoyed it. What I mean by the protein of the day is that I didn't eat any other protein that day that is not a fish. This is lunch, and the next one, which is a jollof rice, it was still cooking. Yeah, I just add the fish to absorb the a little taste of it, and now it is well cooked. We are going to have a dinner, the remaining fish and the jollof rice. If you try this, you will really enjoy it. You can manage well with it. Sometimes try to eat one protein in a day. You will like it. Well, I don't know if if I motivated you or if I bring something that you really like. But please give this video a thumbs up and enjoy the rest of your day. See you in my next video. Bye.